How to make custom washers for Kydex holsters. Somebody specifically asked for it in the comments, so here you go. So every time you get a Kydex holster, it comes with little rubber washers like these, and that's to give it a little bit of little spacing, gives it a little bit of give right here so you can get it on a belt and then it'll clip on there. Same with on here, you can see those spacers here allow me to adjust it. However, sometimes you may have bought Chicago style screws without a bunch of rubber washers, or in this case, this rubber washer was not even close, so when I pinched on the rubber washer, it just was too tight for this. To make custom washers, you can grab fuel. This is just like fuel line for like a carburetor. This one specifically has like some reinforcement crap in it. You don't need to get one with reinforcement crap, just a regular rubber fuel line's great, but if it has this, who cares? It really does not matter. This is another small one if you had a really small Chicago style screw. So to determine the amount of thickness that you need and then kind of pinch it, that gives me an idea for how thick it needs to be, and then I want it a little bit thicker so it provides tension on the screws so they don't just fall out. So this is going to be a pretty thick washer, about yay thick. And then this stuff you can either just pull it out or leave it. Okay, so I pull that out. This one I happen to be using a slightly longer Chicago style screw. I like to have a couple different sizes lying around. I'm going to put it in the gap. Grab a screwdriver. Okay, and you can see it's starting to squeeze that. And then so now I can put the magazine in and it goes pretty good. But now if I would have just put the washer, then this would have been totally loose. But now this lets me tighten this and still have tension on the screw so it doesn't just doesn't back out when I'm running around on the range. So that is how you make custom washers.